My name is Mark Hackett. I'm the Executive Director of the Jane Pauley Community Health Center, and I'd like to welcome you on behalf of the Board of Directors and staff. Appreciate the Chamber of Commerce coming and bringing us Chamber of Commerce weather. We were worried about that, but when we seen him show up, we knew he was going to be fine. So it's a beautiful day today here in Anderson. So a few people I'd like to thank. First, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Jane Pauley Community Health Center. We were started in '09 and had one site at 30th and Post Road, and we've blossomed now to where we have 17 sites. That first year, they saw 4,000 patient visits. This past year, we had 70,000 patient visits. So it's just crazy the rapid growth that we've had. We're doing a lot here in Madison County. We already have a site at 1210B on the Medical Arts building, which is right next to Community Anderson. And we also have a site in Alexandria, and we're very close to opening our site inside the historic Wigwam. Very excited about that. That'll be coming later this fall. But this dental clinic here has been a vision that we've got this model up in Indianapolis. We actually partner with Walker Career Center, which is very similar to D26 here, with Warren Schools in Indianapolis. We have a dental clinic in there where we service the general public, and we also serve a lot of kids from the schools in Warren. And they have a dental assisting class there where the students come in and learn to be dental assistants, and it really works out really nice for the students. And we're going to start something very similar here at D26 with a dental assisting class. So we're very excited to do that. It's a beautiful facility inside, as you'll see here in just a minute. A few people I'd like to thank. I see our tech out here, Greg Lewis and Elizabeth. They are architects that actually helped to design our locations, and they did an excellent job inside, as you'll see here in a minute. I'm not sure if Craig Duncan's here, but Duncan Construction, actually their local place here that actually does a lot of construction for us here in Madison County, did a great job with our site, and appreciate them. The Jane Pauley staff, we have operations staff here, Olivia and Mariah, as far as for helping to keep things moving here at the site, so really appreciate you guys and all the work that you've done. And our staff here, we've got 3 dental clinics now, and so I've got several staff here from our dental clinics. I'd like for you guys to at least stand or wave and appreciate all the work that you guys do for us. And of course, again, I wanted to thank Anderson Schools, and I appreciate the new interim superintendent being here, and he'll speak here in just a moment. So appreciate all you guys coming out. And our first speaker today is actually going to be our dentist here at the clinic. It's Dr. Jason Waugh. Jason?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I want to apologize. I got a dentistry to work on teeth, but not to do public speaking. So if you could please give me a break, I'm going to try to take my time. Basically, I'm just going to do what Mark did and just thank a lot of people. I'd like to thank everyone for coming today, taking time out from your busy schedule, and fighting the rain, which is not going to come, because we had no doubts that the rain was never going to come. And as a dental director, I'm honored to welcome everyone to Anderson D26 Dental Clinic. As Mark said, once you walk in there, you're going to be as impressed as I am how beautiful it is, with all the equipment, the new chairs, everything we put in there is brand new, and it's going to help so much with looking after the population of Anderson here. I'm blessed to work for Jane Pauley Community Health Center, because it's an organization that recognizes the importance of oral health and lifelong dental care. And without the vision of the executive team and our board of directors, this clinic would not be here today. As Mark has said, this is one of 3 dental clinics. Our other 2 locations down on the east side. And the mission of the dental clinics stays the same in a sense that my mission and the mission of my staff is to provide the highest quality of dental care at the most affordable fee for each and every one of the people here in Anderson and in Madison County. So we're hoping to be able to do that. And what else we got here? We are excited to be part of the community of Anderson. We're excited to work with all the other agencies here to serve the community of Anderson. And we cannot wait to make this a dental home for the people of Anderson. And it goes without saying that I also look forward to partnering up with the Anderson School and help with the training and education of the dental assistant program that's going to come here. We're going to be able to provide the clinical side of their education once the students are done with all the book work and all the hard stuff, they'll get to come into our clinic and put that work into real hands-on experience by helping us look after patients and working through the last part of their education. So we're really excited and honored to be able to do that for the students here. And then finally, we are also excited to be able to provide, along with our medical, our behavioral, and our pediatric clinics up in the Wigwam and up in the Community Anderson and hospital, to be able to provide a care that will encompass the whole system. So we're looking after the medical, the behavioral, the dental, so that we can keep the population of Anderson healthy.
The next speaker today is, because of this good Chamber of Commerce weather, I wanted to introduce the President and CEO, Dennis Ashley.
Good morning, everyone. Maybe your nickname should be Dr. Wow. I bet you're going to give those people that walk through this clinic that opportunity that we all get when we come back from the dentist, that I want to smile more. That makes everybody feel happy. And congratulations to you, Mark, for seeing this opportunity with D26 and investing into the Anderson Community School System. Just for a moment, I would like to hit on some real key figures and how this plays a role in our workforce development. Before I came here today, I did a real quick search. As a dental assistant that could come out of this educational opportunity, you could earn $32,000 to $35,000 right out of this program here in Central Indiana. Our average household income here in Madison County is $39,000. With just a little bit of experience, you can earn up to an average of $50,000 a year, and on Indeed right now, within 50 miles of Anderson, there are 89 job openings with that type of earning. And there's 224 job openings with that base pay of $35,000 coming right out of this program that's right behind me right here. That's the type of investment that you made, Mark, and your team at Jane Pauley. That is the big impact in the story that I see here today. And I congratulate you on seeing the vision that you have in your partnership with Anderson Community Schools and the type of people that we might be able to push into our workforce with this type of earning potential. That's a great life. And I'm so proud to be here today to cut ribbon and the grand opening that we have here. And with that ribbon cutting, our board of directors, our 500 plus members at the Chamber, will continue to welcome you, because you guys are already a member, but we'll continue to bless this opportunity as you continue to grow here in the city of Anderson. Thank you for having me today, and enjoy the ceremony.
Next, I'd like to introduce the Mayor of Anderson, Mayor Thomas Broderick.
Thank you, Mark. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here today at this exciting event. I'd also like to thank all the ambassadors from the Chamber of Commerce that constantly are coming out along with Dennis, and to show the support of these new businesses as they continue to come into our community. It means a great deal. You know, several months ago, I was approached by the folks at Jane Pauley, who explained to me their vision of trying to bring additional community health opportunities to individuals here in the community, and it was a very exciting time. And to see them now continue to move forward and to open these new facilities to help give health care and spread it around to our community where it's needed is a great thing. And in particular, their partnership with Anderson Community Schools. I know Dr. Smith is very much in support of this and has been all along. Terry Thompson, former superintendent, of course, was involved as well. And all these folks working together with the community school system in partnership with Jane Pauley is, again, not only bringing opportunities for patients to come in and get good quality treatment at reasonable cost, but also to be able to give opportunities to young people for the education that Dennis was talking about a few moments ago. And it continues to provide a better and a higher quality of life in our community. And I'm very proud that Jane Pauley and the community school system has come together to help advance that cause. So on behalf of the City of Anderson, I'd like again to welcome all of you. In particular, I'd like to welcome Jane Pauley as they continue to build in our community and make this place a better place to live. Thank you again.
Next, I'd like to introduce the new superintendent. He's an interim, but Dr. Tim Smith tells me he would like to be the permanent superintendent. So let's hope that he gets that. Dr. Smith.
Thank you all for being here this morning at D26. This is a great facility for Anderson Community Schools, and now with the new partnership with the Jane Pauley Foundation, we are going to be able to do even better things for our school community. This program we have behind us here at D26, we offer about 20 different opportunities for kids to get career experience and explore opportunities that they may want to pursue later in life as adults, whether that means further education or jumping right into the workforce. The dental clinic is going to do multiple things for our school community. It's going to provide kids opportunities to get that experience they may want for future career experience, get that education, get that foundation. But with the services here, we're also going to provide a better quality of life for our community. So that's a win-win for everybody. The school system wins, the kids of Madison County win. We have kids that come from other school districts to our programs here. So Madison County overall is going to benefit from this program. And no offense, I have family on the east side. We are going to be better than the Walker Career Center site with the leadership we have here at D26, our staff we have here in Anderson Community Schools, and the community in general. We are going to support this in every way we can to make it better. If you look at the top 50 jobs in Indiana right now, dentists, dental hygienists, dental assistants are all in that top 50. So we're going to be able to provide opportunities for kids to learn, to grow, and develop a skill set that are going to make them productive citizens, and as Dennis said, jumping into an economic level that they can support their families and live here in Madison County and support our community for the future.
1, 2, 3.